Welcome back to Buy Smart, the only place where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning. That's right, it's the ultimate showdown between the Shark S7000AMZ Steam and Scrub Mop and the TVD Steam Cleaner. It's like the Olympics, but for cleaning. First up, let's talk money. The thing we all love and want to keep in our pockets. The Shark S7000AMZ comes in at a sweet $169. Reviewers have praised it as a steal for its scrubbing and cleaning capabilities, especially for pet owners dealing with stubborn stains. On the other hand, the TVD Steam Cleaner is a little pricier at $179. Users have noted its effectiveness in tackling tough stains across various surfaces, which may justify the extra cost. If you're on a tight budget, Shark wins this round, but if you've got a little wiggle room in your wallet, TVD might just be the fancy upgrade you didn't know you needed. Next up, let's get into ease of use. The Shark has an automatic scrubbing mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute, making it effortless for users. Reviewers have found it easy to use and effective, especially for cleaning up after pets. Meanwhile, the TVD Steam Cleaner operates with a trigger mechanism, just grip and pull. Users have appreciated its simplicity and the added safety features to prevent accidents. In this round, both are easy to use, but the Shark takes the cake for the effortless scrub factor. Now, let's talk about capacity and time. The Shark has a sleek design, but it has a smaller water tank compared to the TVD's gigantic 52 ounces water tank. Reviewers have praised the TVD for its ability to clean for longer periods without constant refills. With an 8-minute heat-up time, users find it quick and efficient, making it perfect for larger cleaning tasks. If you're cleaning a mansion, TVD is your best friend. Finally, let's compare versatility. The Shark is designed for all sealed hard floors: hardwood, marble, tile, and stone. Reviewers appreciate its performance on various surfaces, making it a solid choice for general cleaning. However, the TVD is the overachiever of this duo. It can clean floors, tiles, grout, sofas, clothes, and even help you remove wallpaper. Users have highlighted its wide range of applications and effectiveness across different cleaning tasks. So if you want a one-stop shop for cleaning, TVD takes this round hands down. In summary, both the Shark S7000AMZ and the TVD Steam Cleaner have their strengths. The Shark is praised for its affordability and ease of use, especially among pet owners. Meanwhile, the TVD Steam Cleaner stands out for its versatility and capacity, making it a favorite for those needing a powerful cleaning tool for various tasks. So there you have it, folks. In the battle of the steam cleaners, the Shark S7000AMZ is your go-to for ease of use and value, while the TVD Steam Cleaner is the ultimate cleaning powerhouse with versatility and capacity. It's like choosing between a loyal dog and a magical unicorn. Both are great, but they serve different purposes. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons that'll save you money and keep your floors sparkling. This is Buy Smart, where we help you clean up your purchasing decisions. Literally.